Good morning, myself Shiny. I hope all are fine at home. Today I am going to explain on the topic magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. The two cases are there. First one is straight wire. Second one is circular wire. In the case of straight wire, okay, first we have to take one thick copper wire. We have to take thick copper wire. Okay, that is, this one is wire. Then this thick wire we have to pass through cardboard. This is one of cardboard. Then this is, just imagine, this is cardboard. We have to make one hole. Center we have to make one hole. Okay. Then this is thick copper wire. Then this thick copper wire pass through this cardboard. One end is upside, another end is in downside. We can't see this side. That's why I am using dotted lines. One cardboard we have to take. Okay. Then we have to make center one hole. In that hole we have to pass thick copper wire. One half end, half it will be half side, it will be upside, another end it will be downside. Okay. Then again this one connected to one battery, negative end. Then positive end to A means ammeter. Positive to positive side of the ammeter. Ammeter means this is a current measuring device. Negative to key, then key to another end. This is also we are using copper wire, thin copper wire we can use. Okay. Then why we are using ammeter? How much current we are passing, we know that. 4 ampere current means this ammeter shows that 4 ampere. Then first close the key, we have to put key. Then what happened? Current is passing through this circuit. Then this thick copper wire also, current is passing through this copper wire also. Then after that we have to take some iron, small iron pieces we have to take. Okay. Then on this cardboard we have to spread some iron, small iron pieces we have to spread on this cardboard. Okay, iron fillings we have to do it. The next step, tap the cardboard just a little bit, we have to shake it. Tap the cardboard gently, that means we have to shake it little bit cardboard. Then what happened? We can see that this iron nails, this small pieces of irons, we can see that it's just like a circles. Okay, around the wire we can see that it is a form of closed circle. Then we have to bring one compass needle we have to bring. Okay, this is north and south direction. Then this shows the deflection. Okay, from north to south it shows the direction. Then again this side we have to give a positive side, this side we have to give negative side. Okay. First we have to connect with the negative end, then positive to ammeter. Next just opposite we have to connect. Then what happened? This direction again will change, just opposite direction we will get. This is the experiment, magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. First is straight wire. From this experiment we can identify that straight wire carrying circular magnetic field. Straight wire having circular magnetic field. Okay. Then what are the factors depends on this magnetic field? First point is it depends on current. What are the factors depends on magnetic field? First point is the amount of current conductor. First is the amount of current flowing through the conductor. Okay, first we are 4 ampere. We are using. Again we are current increasing 6 ampere. Then again we can see that the magnetic field lines are more. That means B, magnetic field lines. Magnetic field is proportional to current. Current increases, magnetic field also increases. The next one is, second factor is, it is distance from the conductor. Distance. Second factor is distance from the conductor. Distance from the conductor. That means we know that it is very close to each other. That time these field lines are very close. This compass needle shows more deflection. Okay, we are keeping near to this wire, it shows more deflection. We are keeping away from this, little bit away from this copper wire. What happened? It shows less deflection. That means magnetic field inversely proportional to the distance. It is close, distance is less. That time what happened? It shows more deflection. Magnetic field is more. Distance is more. That time magnetic field is less. Distance r from the conductor. Okay. These are the factors depends on magnetic field. First is current, second is distance from the conductor. Thank you. Tomorrow we will explain on the topic magnetic field due to current carrying conductor in a circular wire.